Multimodal AI, the next leap in machine intelligence. For decades, AI understood the world through narrow channels, text alone or images alone. But now, a new paradigm is emerging. Machines that see, hear, and interpret reality across multiple senses, just like us. So, what is multimodal AI? It's an intelligence that combines text, images, audio, and video into a unified understanding. Imagine asking a question about a chart in a document while referencing a voice note and image and getting a single coherent answer. This is not science fiction. It's happening now. Today, models like GPT-4o, Gemini, Grok 4.1, and Claude 3 are leading the charge. They can process text and images together, interpret audio tone, and even reason about video frames. In healthcare, multimodal AI reads radiology scans alongside doctor notes to improve diagnoses. In retail, it merges product visuals, reviews, and voice queries for personalized shopping experiences. And in security, it analyzes video, audio, and text simultaneously to detect threats in real time. The breakthroughs are stunning. Dynamic visual reasoning allows AI to zoom in and out on image details, mimicking human visual focus. Agentic AI goes further, planning, reasoning, and interacting with environments. These systems aren't just passive, they're active collaborators, capable of multi-step problem solving. Why does this matter? Because it brings us closer to human-like interaction. It opens creative frontiers, AI-driven storytelling, immersive simulations, and real-time video editing. And the impact on business? Gartner predicts that by 2026, 60% of enterprise applications will integrate multimodal AI. This isn't a trend, it's a transformation. But the road ahead isn't without obstacles. Aligning data across modalities is complex. Poorly matched captions and images can degrade performance. Bias amplification is a real risk, as multimodal systems inherit biases from multiple sources. And evaluation? Measuring true multimodal understanding requires nuanced human judgment. These challenges will define the next phase of AI evolution. So, are we ready for machines that see, hear, and understand like us? Multimodal AI isn't just smarter, it's more human-like. And as these systems grow, they'll reshape how we learn, create, and connect. The future is multimodal, and it's already here.